What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of euro pairs. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have on euro AUD, euro JPY, euro CHF, and in euro GBP. This euro pairs looks like crazy as there is a significant news release today, and we could see a significant trading opportunity in all of this European. Before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis, then we'll look at it to see how we can trade all of this instrument. Now first of all, let's start with euro AUD. Now euro AUD, what you see, this is the 4 hour time frame. We see a trading opportunity in this lower time frame. Now before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi time frame analysis, then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade this instrument, starting with monthly time frame. Now euro AUD, what you saw that on the monthly, there has been a doji has been formed on the previous months. This is the overall bearish market on euro AUD, keep in mind. But what happened, we saw that the price came around 50% of this doji. So when doji formed, the price does it all the time. We saw exactly the price came to the 50% of this long week of this doji. Now we saw a rejection, so that means that we might see a test of the upper week of this monthly doji. That means that we might see either euro AUD coming back to this zone, or even coming back to this resistance to test this top of this doji. So that means that we could see primarily a bullish move on euro AUD at this point. Now going to the weekly time frame to see what kind of price action it is creating. On the weekly, we saw that the price first of all came down, broke this previous week's low, and then there has been a bullish move. The reason this is a bullish move is because you see there is a long week doji here. So the price came almost around 50% of this long week. Exactly from there, we see that euro AUD is now pushing high. So with that being said, we might see on the weekly perspective either test of this trend line. In that case, we could see the prices coming to this zone, or even going high to test this resistance. So with that being said, we could see euro AUD showing a bullish momentum. Now let's see on the daily time frame what kind of price action has created. Now we see that there is a gap to be filled on euro AUD on the daily time frame as well. And at the same time, if you look at the market structure, looks like that euro AUD trying to create a bullish market structure. As you can see, the price, this is the daily structure. Every time the price was creating a series of higher low in this zone, and the price is pushing to the upside. At this point in this zone, what you saw, there has been a double bottom formation on euro AUD, and with the double bottom, we saw that there is a bullish engulfer has been formed. So with all that being said, euro AUD looks like that could rise up at least at certain point. As you have seen, there is a resistance here that can give us a good trading opportunity if we consider lower time frames such as on the 4 hour. Now, on the 4 hour, we saw in this zone there has been an inverted head and shoulder is formed with this red doji, and that red doji can give us a completion of this inverted head and shoulder. And now, currently, we saw that the price is creating a series of higher high and higher low. It's a bullish price action, and we can expect on the news release euro AUD to explode to the upside to this zone, or at least to this zone, to reach this resistance that can give us a good trading opportunity. As you know that there is a two very high impact news release. So on this news release, if we find a significant trading opportunity, as we are running one profitable trade on euro AUD, we will be adding another position to these pairs to take this momentum to the upside with our VIP members and as students. Now this one is with euro AUD. Now let's see euro CHF. Now euro AUD, euro CHF, similar kinds of pattern. We saw that this is the 4 hour time frame, and the price is strongly bullish. You see that euro CHF, the price was creating a series of higher high and higher low. every time the price was coming to this zone pushing high, again coming to this zone pushing high, came to this zone pushing high. Now we see similar kind of pattern, and we can expect the same thing to be repeated on euro chf as well. So we can expect on this news release euro chf to broke to the upside. As you, if you look at the quickly monthly time frame, we saw that there was a strong rejection from this monthly historically. There is a long week candle here, and from this zone on the monthly we saw a rejection. If you look at the low of euro chf monthly candle, you saw this one cross the previous one completely, and then we have seen that euro chf started to push up. So we can expect euro chf now to go up, even create test this zone here. There's a resistance here, so that could give us a really good trading opportunity to the upside. Weekly as well, the same pattern. We saw the series of higher high and higher low, and we can expect euro chf to rise up at least to this resistance. That can give us a good trading opportunity. Going to the daily time frame, the same thing, the price is creating a series of higher high and higher low. So with all that being said, euro chf like euro aud looks like creating a bullish price action. Now go to the euro jpy, a bit different than euro all other european. What you see that euro jpy, there has been a break to the downside. As you know that euro jpy is highly bullish, strongly bullish. So what I will be doing on euro jpy is, if the price come back to this 20 period moving average, this blue is a 20 period moving average. As you have seen that for extended period of time this moving average has not been tested. If the price managed to reach this level, and if we see a bullish price action, I will take another advantage of buying euro jpy. As you see that EURGBP was significantly bullish than any other pairs, as Euro JP was very very weak. Only now we see a little bit of retracement to the downside, and that can give us a buying opportunity on Euro JPY. If I see that the price came to this zone giving us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame, that means that if I see a bullish pattern in this zone, especially in this level, in this dodgy area or in this level of support, we might see that the price coming along this zone and creating a bullish pattern. At that point I'll consider going long with euro jpy. Now going to the euro gbp, the same kind of pattern. Euro gbp looks like that started its bullish move for over the extended period of time. Euro gbp, we were in a downtrend, but after this monthly candle close, this green candle, we saw that euro gbp started to pushing high. This week the price came down for retracement. We saw that now the bulls are taking control. So with that being said, euro gbp as well looking like that it might create a bullish price action. As you see that the daily after the previous days bullish engulfer, this is a nice bullish engulfer, the bulls didn't look back. They started to buy euro gbp. Going to the 4 hour, we saw that there is a breakout to the downside. This is a manipulation, grab the liquidity, and then we saw that another push high. Now we see an inverted head and shoulder has been created on euro jpy, pardon me, euro gbp. And with that being said, we might see during this news release a significant movement to the upside with euro GBP, and that is what we will be doing. We will be waiting for this candle close to see how this is closing. If it satisfies all the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going long with euro GBP with a high risk to reward ratio. Now these are the euro pairs that we are watching for a significant trading opportunity. In the meantime, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.